Hey, welcome to Soda Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out the ribeyes we did on the SNS Kettle. Hey, I'm Craig. Man behind the camera's Jack. I know we haven't rarely ever cooked ribeyes. Honestly, we've cooked them a lot because it's my favorite steak. But what I did differently with it, not really differently, but cut these a little bit thinner. So I got a whole ribeye Father's Day, made like two roast out of it. Did some indirect on one of the grills for Father's Day, one like a medium rare, one in a medium, so made everybody happy on how they want their meat cooked. But the rest of them I cut down into steaks that I wanted, so I thought I'm gonna keep two a little bit thinner so I can just go hot and fast, pretty much get a good sear on this, and then maybe just let it indirect for just a little bit just to bring up the temperature. But as you know, Jack and I like a medium rare, even on the rare side. So that's kind of the plan tonight. Always in the beginning, start our grill up with the fire cups. It's just a great product. Love using them things. We always have a link in our description for that. And using PS Seasonings Black Gold. So this is a garlic pepper. It says garlic pepper, but the first ingredient is salt, so that's good. I mean, that's basically like an SPG, but probably stronger on the garlic and the pepper. So I'm looking forward to trying that out as well. But like I said, just gonna go hot and fast, and let's get them on the grill. All right, let's get the steaks on. So I'm just gonna do like a minute aside and just keep doing that for probably 4 times for sure. And then we'll worry about how the sear looks before we do anything. And then we'll start making sure the temperature's right. All right, first minute. It's a good start to a sear there. Okay, that one was rocking and rolling pretty good. Hope it didn't go too far here. Oh man, is that looking nice. That looks like a hair far, but actually that's gonna have some great, amazing crust flavor. I'll take a peek because we got some good flame happening there. So it looks like we can go a little more on this side here yet, but I think that other side's gonna be done. And that one's got a good dark crust on it now, so that's gonna be good. Probably just gonna go a little bit on this one here. I'll pull it off and I'll double check this one. Yeah, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good as well. Let's check the temperature. Trusty chef's temp. Get the left-handed side here. I think I bumped the, that's what it was. It's saying it was past temperature there. That seems impossible to me. There's a better temperature. Just trying to get a 121. I tell you what, I'm gonna pull these babies off. I wasn't expecting that already. Let's let them rest a little bit. See you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of a very fast cook. Faster than I was expecting to be done, to be honest with you. And I just double checked temperatures again, but like, man, something just seemed right. It was literally 5 minutes total cooking time because I don't count the time when I flip it and some of those things. I count the minute when I kind of do the next step. So 5 minutes. It was a minute aside. I went back with a little bit. Can't wait to try it out. So in the beginning, we always do our fire cups, and then used PS Seasonings Black Gold garlic pepper. So I've never used that before. Hit it about 2 hours in advance. Didn't get it as early as I like to. Always 24 hours to me is always a good thing, but 2 hours is still going to be workable. So let's see how we did here. That's a good medium rare, and if it's just a touch rare right in that one spot there, but wow. Well, it's going to be good because it was tender. Boy, nice crust. Like I said, it looked like it one side just slightly dark, but I knew that was going to be a good flavored crust because it was really just kind of on the top edges where you see that the darker part of it. But garlic jumps right out of there. Man, it's going to be a good dinner. So hopefully, like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.